Oh, yeah, good. You put the stars on the touch, so early Christmas. Say no. Good, I say, anh này dùng cô này này tặng hết rồi nè này cô này, yeah, mà cái trung dân rồi này.
Oh yes, and tengx. Is that the college bus? Yeah, my work. Donated.
Cái nhà cái này chỗ Ojun, như vậy Ojun, giờ có vậy elo chân lao vậy có gió, thì như chơi như vừa ỏi nhỏ nhẫn nhiều. Ok, giờ chỗ ngon lắm, ngon sinh, có sinh à?
I told her, I was like, are you gonna be here at 12? Yeah. She'll be here at 12.
15 minutes ago.
I'm like, okay. And of course they're late.
Big for 3 pounds worth of eggs.
Very good there, bud.
We got too much popular people already.
Right. So he's gonna go to an easier conference, so we'll be like,
Man, I've seen the Celtics.
really?
Yeah. I don't know. I think a green. I think Celtics.
Who would they give up though? They have to give up Brown at least, right?
I feel like a lot of first round picks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're holding back. They have like 2. They have a lot of features first round picks. They give up Win, but they're going to give White. What's his name?
I was gonna say, yeah, take that and put it on. Here, should we just clear out this out and just put a...
Oh,
Yeah,
cái chỗ ông
put
thấy
a
quàng
different
cao
tablecloth.
tay được
Or just don't even put the tablecloth.
Yeah, don't do the tablecloth. It'll just be easier to clean.
Yeah.
Do you guys want the white tablecloth? Like the plastic ones or no?
Yeah.
Just sealed it and then they're gonna have to wash it.
99% alcohol disinfectant wipes. Somewhere. Oh, really? Nothing?
Yeah, it's just like this table. It'll be easier.
Chắc ngon buộc. Cái ngon buộc
It's
nó.
all love, baby. It's all love.
Ồ, ta này. Phúc tập quý ồ, phụ lờ bia. Chúng tôi nhiều. Ngoài là chiếm trên nắm nhiều hộp, pha mà, bữa thấy nhiều hộp. Sao ta đi hộp ngoài. Yêu mày, phóng với bia piu nha. Nhưng mà tôi đi chưa.
Ginger beer. Oh, then I ginger beer. Oh, look at that, baby. Daddy got you ginger beer. He said, so you can't come away.
Con bia này mà tiêu thế này mà xem con cái. Để mà tiêu ấy là bia này mà tiêu nhiều. Việt nhắn dần ta sao đi mà giàu hút bia hút kiêu hút phong phan rồi giàu như một tuần chơi em bữa nào như tôi chỉ đi lừa là công sửa sân hàng lừa bố má nhung mà mấy công như mấy công để đi bữa nó bảo đi công xong như nhớ như thì em kẹp chung về chung yeah.
Wow. Dang, they're lucky.
I know, right? I'm like, give me that 40. Literally, look, Neymar, I went to go just buy like plates, forks, cookies, and chips. $100.
29. Oh my god.
$100.
Just to say Merry Christmas!
Like,
Just to say Merry Christmas!
I know.
this just looks right
Man,
to me.
those,
I know.
And because that's a base, like, oh, buy all this in the water. I'm like, okay, yeah,
man,
I can do it.
those paper bags are some numbers.
I know.
$100.
Crazy.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, for
I was because oh yeah,
$100.
counting all up. But I didn't think it
这
would come up to
这
$100.
能这能这样，这能这样带，啊，就越南嘛，干简单啊。
Right? And I'm just like,
So too easy.
because I was thinking, okay, $60, right, for all that stuff. Nope.
这这的
I know what you're
行了。
how she's feeling. I have to see how I'm feeling. You have to what? I have to see how she's feeling, then I have to see how I'm feeling.
No, you have to do the whole thing.
Whether or not I want to do
My
it.
God, there's another house so for you guys to do it.
I said I'm good, right?
No, no way. What's up?
Next door.
Okay. Next summer, little bit I show you my patio. You say good. I give you how many. Okay, the whole
I can check down, but I can't help you. I can help you general, but I ain't in your house. That's all.
yeah, after I saw in my computer inside, you say okay, that one you can make a patio about 24 by 12. 12 by 12 by 2. Make a long patio.
You want it continuous, though. Then you'll have a leak in the middle.
Well, I don't know which is way better. You have idea. Let me know.
It's expensive, but don't do two together, because then it'll be a whole when it rains, then you're gonna have dropping.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need continuous.
That's just only one, huh?
One continuous.
Where'd it go?
Otherwise, Kelly, you don't want that champagne, I'll put it away.
Oh, no, here, you guys can put it in the.
Yeah, I got white. I got white too.
For me.
So that,
Let me see.
Oh, you see that? Okay.
put that on the counter.
Yeah.
That's it.
We just need to get
Now you're
the
back.
bowls.
This is the milk.
Oh, so this is the.
I got paper bowls. Over there.
No, we added an outline. Now you can add some stickers. It will cover the thing. You can actually just press You can make it big or small.
Dad will clean it up later. It's okay.
The smaller ones. And then anything else? And we didn't check to see if you got the ingredients.
Yeah, and I'm not Melanie,
Crazy or what? Oh, no, I heard you guys gonna be rid of,
We're probably gonna give Zachary away Sabonis. No, I'm just saying, we're probably gonna give her to Sabonis, Zachary.
can we get a homeboy to hit some threes?
He wants Keegan Murray.
Yeah.
No, I heard Luca.
Oh, yeah, that's it. I'm not getting Keegan Murray.
Yeah, he does.
He doesn't want to deal with Zachary being nervous. Zachary never brings defense.
No, you guys are playing.
We need a win better.
Champagne and
We'll give you,
Better.
You don't trade with the Lakers.
we'll give you,
Hey, we'll give you Zach Levine. We'll give you Zach Levine.
We have a big Sabonis. Yes, that's what it goes in.
We'll give you.
Tôi không biết được hôm qua cái nhóm cái giấy bố cái tôi nói là không còn nó sẽ phụ thầy như một coi
before he became the president.
Oh,
drink it. I'll drink it.
tôi tiếp theo.
No, you're thinking
wait, this goes in there. Oh, wait, this gonna go in the refrigerator?
that was
That camera quality's looking kind of good.
You can tell, no, He left the Kings and went to
What did you say?
retire. But we didn't.
It's called Google. It's called Samsung.
So we didn't trade.
I thought mom was here.
I sound like mom.
No, you dress like mom.
What the heck? It's the Grinch, man.
No, mom wears this color shirt. They do the color too. That's why.
But like, we're rebuilding.
Yeah, y'all were ready about 6 months ago.
I mean, you're just going to line.
Yeah, but we're rebuilding. We're rebuilding.
We saw earlier we saw a chihuahua on the side of the road with a vest on, and Cal was like, "Look, is that a turkey?" And I'm like, "It's a freaking dog! What the heck?"
Not with a vest on and it's
My champagne is very cold. We're just like, let's eat. I want to eat. He's so crazy. I want to eat fun, man. I didn't get the noodles out with the fridge, and I didn't. Yeah.
You have picks for food? Does anybody have your pick for this year?
Now that Herder.
You were trying to eat.
Okay. So you have
Now we have Herder. That was like 5 years out to 2024. So now I think we have all of our stuff.
Oh, it's not a good year then. So the draft for this year has got like 11 good players.
Honey, what you put on my meat?
We never know.
Here, I got this. I brought this.
Oh, man, I should have bought $10 worth. I got it.
How you doing? Too good?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a joy hanging. You guys okay?
You just add water.
Man, I'm not eating no Austin Reed.
Austin Reed. Austin Reed.
I didn't wrap them, but
You can have, what's his name? What's our point guard that's from the best? No, he's our 6th man.
But it could all put a little more. It's better, you know.
That was the thing.
Yeah, I like that.
The Savons missed like the first game, and then he came back to the problem is Ben's making like 30 mil a year, and I'm like,
That is bad.
Yeah. Right? Give me a towel. Give her a
He don't want to
towel.
play no more. He can tell the way he
It's
plays.
here.
the problem is they didn't like
Towel.
it's alright, just screw
Well,
you.
I mean, I thought
We would have been
well,
better
you
off,
would
but he
go back
wanted
and
to
have no, you know my number. I mean. But you could have still, that means you could have been like texting each other like, hey.
That's why I go, you know, Uncle messing with me, but you know what? You messing with him.
They didn't have to buy it. It's not like he did it. I know
they're
they're
not
not
close with the owner. So if we do what's best for the team.
I bought some wines too for you.
Some wine. We're doing breakfast right here.
I got. Huh? No, mình chưa hủy mà I think the difference with the make yeah, don't die then.
What? The baba?
Wow. Jumping.
You like sandwich?
What's up? A little bit.
Did you watch that?
Huh?
Did you watch it?
I turned it off.
Dude, I've never seen I haven't seen the Bears dominate anybody from the start.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I just
Put it to the tita mình.
Một tờ một tờ. Cho chàng ngồi sen ngồi lap ngồi buộc.
Okay, Jose. I'm gonna bring you right now.
Mà nhiều đúng một nhà ngồi buộc nè, như còn chớ nhiều, nó lừa nhiều mà ngồi buộc. Xích cái đó. Họ chọn đó. Cái đó ăn kiến rau nên Phật chưa có hả?
Nope. No.
the lady last time would sit in him or not sit in it, but we had a celebration or whatever. The ladies kept saying how my overalls was I'm confused. I'm like,
Cháu phải cho hãy.
I'm like, see, mình nhận phun non nhỉ, mình
I will play music. There's no Christmas music. No, that's still copyright. You cannot. Carry will copy it.
Ăn trong tay.
Cái ăn đó à, nó thấy đậu mày sao?
Carry will copy
Muốn
it.
là vấn kết quả.
Còn ăn trong giật hả? Nè. Ăn trong những cua vậy, suy vậy.
The pork takes
Đúng rồi.
to roll because it's not easy. I just, the way that I make it.
I don't know how to do it.
Nhưng mà sao ạ?
It's already done?
It's already done.
Just got started.
We just started. They're done already. Before the concrete, we're just waiting for Tuesday. So 1 week for it to
Do you
dry.
have a camera that shows it or no? Pictures yet?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Những cua.
That was the last one I did.
Yeah.
Ăn trong rau dài. Đó. Đó. Nè.
Ok.
Where's Mel? When is she gonna get here?
And you can give me tongs.
So who are the Niners playing tomorrow?
We're gonna go see the game tomorrow.
I know, I'm here. So they're gonna be
Me too.
good. How are the Niners? Are they good?
Ồ, ở đồng chén ạ. Ở đồng
Niners
chén.
are good. Are they usually not? Yeah. Okay, so then their number are to the Niners, right?
đằng.
Yeah, the Niners have the upper hand. And it's also at their home.
Well, close to that, they need to win.
Who?
The Niners, it's like they need to win.
No, I would think so.
No, close to that. They win a lot more games.
Tao
We
mình
just
phải
lost.
xí xíu ăn chiều tao à. Tao nói mình put that chiều. Tao cái ní xíu tiền.
Yes, yes, I got, don't worry.
It's the mom bought us that. Wow.
Một quất tàu hả? Mấy cô á?
And then one of the cousins. It's actually the nieces and nephew.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hello Niners.
Hello, dân phố, một tòa dân phố.
And this whole backside can be all
Đi xìa mấy chỗ
You know what? I need to open up another one.
So what's their timeline?
So they're already
Maybe
finished.
just
So
save it?
this is what it looks like, yeah.
We don't have to keep
So
opening it, just save it.
they're already finished doing that. We're gonna
Just
plant
do
some
it
trees
all.
right here, some flowers right here, some trees right here.
They work fast, don't they?
You can, you know what? Do it because you can freeze
And
it.
then so that's how it looks. A little
And
step
then
right here.
look
So
what's on
trash
here.
can did
Ah,
right there.
yeah.
Nice.
So that's what we're gonna do. But this is the city lights, so we can't, do it here. So, and then basically, step up, and then video.
Oh, yeah, good job, see?
There. And we're gonna do a raised garden bed right here. We're gonna go with the full vegetable, and then the AC should be on top of the.
Sao mày xa nhanh nhận đi.
And I'll find the stuff that I
Tôi
use
cái
for
xe tà đấy.
staining it, the color. I can show you how to do this easy. Oh. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
You
everything.
can do stamp. See my goal stamp so it makes it look like it's more than just regular concrete.
I know they offered it.
Đó được buổi rồi.
It looks cool.
These are like, we just walking on it.
Yeah.
It just gives it a bit
Everything
more
total like
dimension.
right now.
Okay.
Under
That's
9,000.
really how much?
Under 9,000.
How much square feet was
They
it?
need to bust a net, right?
Okay, that's good. That's good.
That was
Give you a
like-
good deal.
Wait, how much? 550.
550 square feet? Give you a good deal. Give you a good deal. Who's the people that you went through something with?
That's a really good deal. I mean, if
She
you
did
had a
the shop.
slab of concrete that was like 6,000, now they're getting it all around.
His house.
Oh, okay.
Because he mentioned it, and I was like, oh,
Yeah.
we're gonna fit there. And then, so I don't know how it looked like. So, this is our driveway. We're gonna do extended
You should have
extended
50.
concrete right there.
Yeah.
And then
But I think that was
we do
good.
steps right here. Also driveway walkway pathway to the backyard.
It was the
Right.
same.
And so this is
No, you
steps
have it out of concrete.
So,
then you
one
have
straight
the
back.
pavers.
down
That's all,
there.
that's all gonna be cement.
All concrete right here.
Oh, wow.
And then on the other
Yeah.
side too, all concrete.
Okay.
And then this whole backside here is gonna be our raised garden bed. So we're gonna
Okay,
bring
so
the
you can
vegetable.
retain, everybody can hang out here,
Yep.
this will be more room outside,
Exactly.
yeah, nice.
Yeah, so they just finished pouring out concrete, so that's how the front looks like now.
Okay.
So we're gonna do like tall tree, maybe something right here in front of it. Christmas
So
tree or
this-
something like that.
Roots?
Yeah, so
Yep.
this is the old
Make
house.
sure,
And this how we stained it.
Wow.
Yeah, we just put stain on there.
Is it a slant or is it a step right here?
No, that's just the stain color. Yeah, so this right here, like if you had a wheelchair access or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
what
Oh,
could pull
you chose
Yeah.
that. That was
Yeah.
That's
And
pretty
did you
cool.
have like the steps like you guys had? We just stayed.
Yeah.
But you know what? So make sure don't do cypress up and next to
No,
that.
we're not gonna do cypress. We're thinking about
Don't to make- because the root's gonna
the
grow,
the
yeah.
landscaper told us that you don't want anything that will move the concrete.
Exactly,
Yeah, so
exactly.
he was very professional about it. He was like, but we had a tree originally in front of it,
Uh-huh.
and then he recommended us to remove it. We're not planning to live there in 5 years.
I got that.
Like, look, man, you see this tree here? He said that tree in 5 years will remove the concrete. So yeah, so that's why if you video live, that's it. You removed it.
Giàu tiền á. Nè, dùng hay nè, lũ con phụ giàu hay nè.
Avocado.
Yeah. Oh, hello.
Hay.
I should have added more salt.
Nó con phụ cái gì? Yeah,
This
hốt
one?
nè.
But
It's
it's
not too
okay.
late. It's not too late.
Maybe we can just do it. Wait a minute. That's why you do so. No, wait a minute.
That's a front. And then some little side step with the trash can bin right here.
Ở nhà thì tụi đừng mong con thì giàu như ồ.
Oh, Mom, for Uming lost Thailand December 1 year.
This year.
This year, December. No, next year. Next year.
Dạ em
December.
hay như lo.
Okay, because công Uming November nãy sinh hai mình á, but công Uming December nãy sinh hai mình trên nãy sinh ở đẻ sau của chơi.
Oh, okay, good nè.
December means
Cái
December works then. So
December when?
so Nai texted me December 19th through like January something, and then I told her that I was like, we're gonna do Laos and Thailand. So I was like, well, what about we do the first week ourselves in Laos with mom and dad, and then the second week we meet up with, because mom when you brother này nhưng Thailand sao cũng chỉ Laos sao